Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way to make passive income online, YouTube and affiliate marketing might be the perfect combination for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use YouTube to start and grow your affiliate marketing business. Even if you're a beginner, we'll cover strategies, examples, and optimization tips to help you maximize your results. So, stick around because you don't want to miss this. First, let's break it down. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. YouTube is a powerful tool for this because videos engage audiences more than text or images. People trust recommendations from video creators, making it easier to convert views into sales. Now that you understand the basics, let's talk about strategies that actually work. One of the most effective ways is to create in-depth reviews of products in your niche. Be honest, show the pros and cons, and demonstrate how the product works. People love to compare products before making a decision. Creating Product A versus Product B videos can help viewers choose while driving traffic to your affiliate links. Teaching people how to use a product increases engagement and trust. If you show them step-by-step instructions and then provide your affiliate link, they're more likely to buy. Videos like Top 5 Best Laptops for Video Editing work great because they appeal to buyers actively searching for recommendations. People love unboxings. They get to see the product before buying, and if you include your affiliate link, they might purchase it right away. Let's look at some YouTube creators who are killing it with affiliate marketing. Marquez reviews tech gadgets and includes affiliate links in his description. His honest approach builds trust with his audience. Ali Abdul shares tools that boost productivity, linking to them with affiliate partnerships. His recommendations feel natural because he actually uses the products. Pat Flynn teaches how to make money online and promotes software/tools he genuinely believes in. He's made 6 figures just from YouTube affiliate links. Getting views is one thing, but turning those views into commissions requires smart optimization. Here's how. 1. Use keywords people are searching for, like Best Budget Laptops 2024, instead of just Laptop Review. 2. A good thumbnail can be the difference between 100 views and 10,000 views. Make it bright, clear, and relevant. 3. Always put your links in the top section of the description with a call to action like, check it out here. Pin a comment with your link so viewers see it immediately. 5. Before ending your video, say something like, if you found this helpful, check the link in the description for more details. Alright, now you have everything you need to get started with YouTube affiliate marketing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online.